Alright, so when you buy these here LED light strips, it's got the DIY button on it, right here. And the DIY button, the instructions is real kind of not smart about how to do the DIY, so I'm gonna give it to you real simple right here, okay? So, you got it, you turns these on. Alright, DIY button, DIY. Okay, it's that color, and it says press it and then do all this nonsense, and you can't figure it out. So here's what you do. When you press DIY, that is the default. It's all the way at the very top of these three. So if you turn them down, just hold it down. See, it'll start changing colors. And then you get it to where you want to go. Okay? But the top is the very height of where it is. So you just get it to where you want to go. See, we got green right there. Right there. You just press up and down. And then you hit it again, DIY 2. Alright, so now let's go away. There's DIY 3. That's 3. That's the default. Let's go back to 2. That's the one we just set. Alright, we'll do it again with number 3, DIY 3. They're all the way at the top. So let's just hold it down for all the way down on red. All the way down on green. All the way down on blue. And then we'll hit DIY 3. Bam. Alright, so now there's default. Now let's go back. DIY 3. There it is, the color we just set. DIY 2, the color we just set. That's the simple way to do it. The instructions are really complicated, but it's actually very simple. Peace out.